Tesha Miller denies allegations, declaring in his unsworn statement that he is just an innocent welder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Tesha Miller, on day 9 of his trial, denied ordering the murder of former Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC Managing Director Douglas Chambers. Miller denied the allegation when he delivered an unsworn statement from the prisoner's dock. An unsworn statement is when a defendant gives a statement to the court, responding to allegations without the possibility of being cross-examined by prosecutors. Miller told the presiding judge and jurors that before the current court proceedings, he has never seen the prosecution's star witness. The star witness had told the court that Miller is the leader of the Spanish Town-based Klansman gang. According to the witness, Miller had ordered that Mr. Chambers be murdered. But Tesha Miller told the Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston that he did not order the killing of the JUTC man. At the end of his statement, Miller commented, "I am innocent." Miller also denied being a gangster and told the jury that he is a welder. Miller is charged with accessory to murder before and after the fact in connection with the gunslaying of Mr. Chambers. Allegations are that Miller directed that Mr. Chambers be murdered because the then JUTC managing director was not paying extortion money to the Klansman gang.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.